7 o'clock in the morning time on this Thursday morning, January 2nd, 2014. Time now for the weather magician PJ Wiggins, the Border Report. Thursday morning, January 2nd, 2014. A good morning to you all this lovely Thursday morning. Our current conditions at 7 o'clock in the morning time in North Massachusetts. Got a temperature of 25 degrees with a humidity 85% with light snow and foggy mist. Wind speed north about 5 miles per hour. Barometer 3.23 inches. 2.21 degrees. Visibility about 3 miles per hour. Wind chill about 19 degrees. Okay, let's take a look at our
today exclusive gold medal winning skater Brian Boitano opens up about
radar scope.
what he hopes to achieve in this part of the year.
Shows a line of snow showers covering southeastern Massachusetts and Rhode Island, and stretching down for the southern Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, and stretching down for the central and eastern western New York, down for northern Pennsylvania, and stretching down for the Lake Erie, down for southern Michigan, down for Ohio, down for northern Indiana, down for eastern Illinois, and then eastern Wisconsin, and stretching down for southeastern Missouri, down for northeastern Arkansas, down for northwestern Tennessee. Sleet pelts in southeastern portions of Ohio, down for the northwestern portion of West Virginia, and some sleet pelts in northeastern Tennessee, down for southern Virginia. And the warmer solution will be the rain spread from off the Gulf States from central western Gulf Coast stretching out of it, southern Louisiana, down for Alabama, down for Georgia, down for Northern Florida, down for Eastern Carolina, that stretching out of Tennessee, and down into Kentucky here. And the snow distant from eastern portions of Nova Scotia back to snow showers in western portions of Prince Edward Island, back to rain showers up in eastern shores of Prince Edward Island, and a bunch of snow showers in north central portions of UP and Michigan, and a line of snow showers in north and central portions and eastern portions of Nebraska, and snow showers in west central portions of South Dakota. To the west of us, back to the snow and sleet pelts in the western portions of Montana, and stretch out for northern Idaho, and stretch it out for eastern portions of British Columbia, and the rain, snow, sleet pelts in western portions of Alberta, sleet and snow pelts in central and eastern portions of Alberta, and snow portions in western Saskatchewan. Deluge of rain showers in western portions of Washington State and around Seattle, down for southwestern British Columbia, while sleet and snow pelts in the central mountains of Washington State. Malden, Washington, good morning, 30 degrees with hazy skies. Andover, South Dakota, good morning. Whoa, baby, 23 below zero. And Sabbath, New York, good morning, 11 below with ice snow. Okay, let's take a look at our satellite loop, and it shows
You put down the sandbags and you protect yourself best you can, and
a big blob of clouds covered from eastern Mexico down to southern Texas, stretching the Gulf States, and stretching to the much of the eastern seaboard, and stretching out to the entire Great Lakes, and stretching from eastern Missouri, and stretching it out to Atlantic Canada, and then over back to clouds from central Kansas down from Nebraska, and stretching out for central South Dakota, down from western South Dakota, down from northeastern portions of Montana, and then back to the clouds from Nevada, stretching to Utah, down from west Wyoming, down from Idaho, down from Montana, stretching out from western portions of Saskatchewan, down from Alberta, down from British Columbia, stretching out from Washington State. Okay, let's take a look at our map situation. High pressure centered in southern Ontario, eastern South Dakota, central Kansas, western Colorado, and eastern portions of Idaho here. And a big stationary front from
6 inches to more than a foot of snow.
eastern British Columbia, down for Alberta, stretching to Montana, stretching out for South Dakota, for western Nebraska, and down for eastern Colorado, the cold front from New Mexico. Stretching out for central Texas, and down for Louisiana, the warm front from western Tennessee, Kentucky, stretching out for southern Indiana, Ohio, down for Pennsylvania, and the cold front from southern portions of Ontario, down for northeastern UP of Michigan, down for northeastern Wisconsin, down for central Michigan, and down for upstate and central New York, and down for New England, and down for Atlantic Canada. And stationary front from southern Florida, frontal boundary from northern Florida, and down through southern Oregon, and down to the California coastline here. It's 19 degrees out temperature right now in Boston, 35 out in Washington, D.C., 44 in Atlanta, 73 out in Miami, 58 out of Bradesville, 27 in Dallas, 0 in Kansas City, 17 out in Chicago, 4 below in Minneapolis, 18 in Salt Lake City, 16 out of Denver, 31 out in Albuquerque, 35 out of Great Falls, 43 in Seattle, 44 in San Francisco, and 57 out of Los Angeles. Here. All right.
Under some sort of winter weather watch, advisory, or blizzard warning. In fact, right now we have blizzard warning.
Okay, organized winter storm in the Pacific much of the eastern United States and Arctic to Central through the northeast and wake of the system. Precipitation will continue to expand and push eastward today along and ahead of a frontal boundary drape from the Middle Atlantic back toward the lower Mississippi Valley and the Gulf of Mexico. Another frontal boundary is literally lifted northward, helping to spread rain to the southeast. These two areas that will merge on the east coast tonight and will coincide with a rapidly deepening system just southeast of New England, and with a cold air in place, and in the north and northwest of the lower center, like tomorrow's to expected parts of southern New England and eastern southeast New York may experience a period of heavy snow with gusty winds as the low pressure deepens, but pulls away from the coast very early Friday, making travel difficult between the 95 corner between New York and Boston. To the south, the cold front will push from central and southern Florida with little fanfare outside of some of the scattered showers, but cooler temperatures. Much colder air will usher in the east with Friday, with many areas 20 to 30 degrees below normal. Precipitation should wind down on Friday as high pressure moves into the central Appalachians, setting up a very cold night for the many northeast cities. Some record low temperatures being possible. And the Pacific Northwest, a front will be moved on until later today with a rain and snow showers over the region, especially along the west of the front and the Cascades. On Friday, this system will push eastward and spread and rain and snow from the Midwest and Wyoming, and cold temperatures will fall behind the front.
Impacts as far as blizzard-like conditions, school closings already in New England. They'll probably happen for New York City tomorrow as well.
Synopsis: nor'easter will bring heavy snow, strong winds, and bitter cold temps tonight and early dry but billowy cold air and dangerously low wind chills will follow the storm later Friday into Saturday. Temperatures will moderate early next week as low pressure looks to move close to the west of New England. Another pressure of Arctic air is poised to move in around the middle of next week. Near term until 6 p.m. this evening. 6:20 p.m. update. Light snowfall was followed across much of the region early this morning, as except across northern Connecticut, where a break in the activity was already developed. The models are handling this well, as expect some little dry air to continue to overspread areas south of the Massachusetts Turnpike. Still suspect to see periods of light snow at times, but precipitation will be more limited and generally hot. Probably even say a lull in the activity later this morning or for the podcast. The frontal genesis temporarily weakens. So far, most locations have seen a half an inch or 1 inch of snow, and see an additional inch or 2 north of the pike mid-morning before the lull. The exception of the new lull and the steady accumulated snow will probably be across eastern Massachusetts later this morning and afternoon. Northeast will on 850 millimeters at SST differential close to 20 Celsius will be result in the notion of bands of snow. May see some low-class heavy mountains where some areas pick up several inches of snow. The Meso scale models that hit somewhat, but they may be too million done. So all in all, after the light accumulation, snow mid-morning much of the time later this morning after may see lull in activity, especially south of the Mass Pike. Still may see some small accumulation, but overall, nothing significant except along the eastern Massachusetts coast. The result of the ocean except activity which the ocean effect activity which will probably be under the models. Okay, let us take a look at the latest on the storm. The impacts. Spread of storm tonight, early Friday with gusty wind, heavy snow near whiteout conditions. Blizzard warning for coastal Plymouth County and Cape Cod. Moderate impact to the Thursday evening commute. Major impact to the Friday morning commute. Minor to moderate coastal flooding for 3 successive tide cycles along East Massachusetts coast Thursday and Friday. Pockets of major flooding possible south of Boston to Cape Cod midday Friday high tide and dangerously cold wind chills late Thursday and Friday. Total snowfall accumulations south. Jackpot of snow 10-14 distance from the northeastern Massachusetts on the North Shore, stretching down for the Greater Boston and down for Norfolk County, and stretching down for the South Shore, and stretching out of the Cape Cod. 8 to 10 inches around Falmouth, and stretching out for the Martha's Vineyard, stretching out for New Bedford, Fall River, Taunton, Norton, Albert, stretching out for northern and central eastern Rhode Island, and stretching out northern Connecticut and out to the western and central Massachusetts and southern New Hampshire. Here, 6-8 inches snow in central Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket, and stretching out southwestern Rhode Island, stretching out central Connecticut. Here, wind chills late tonight Friday morning. Oh, they're gonna be frigid. In the teens in southeastern Massachusetts and Cape Islands, single digits in Bristol and Plymouth counties, and down to Rhode Island and southern Connecticut. But when you get up north, it's frigider. Wind chills 10 to 20 below zero from northern Connecticut down to Massachusetts, northern, eastern, central, and western Massachusetts up into New Hampshire, Vermont, and upstate New York and up in the Maine here. And maximum wind gusts tonight and Friday morning will be 50-mile-per-hour winds from the Cape and the Islands, 40-mile-per-hour winds from Boston and ports north and south, 30-mile-per-hour winds in Worcester County, and 40-mile-per-hour winds all possible in Rhode Island and eastern Connecticut, and 30-mile-per-hour winds in Connecticut, and 30-mile-per-hour winds in western central Massachusetts. Okay, we are under a winter storm warning here, in effect from now until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Its location will be coastal to northeast and interior southeast Massachusetts. Hazard types: heavy snow, dangerously low wind chills, consistent with blown and drifted snow with near blizzard conditions possible at times tonight and into Friday morning. Accumulation snow accumulations of 8 to 14 inches. Time and period of snow will continue throughout the day. The heaviest snow will occur tonight into early Friday morning, when snow may fall at 1 to 2 inches per hour. Impacts: roads will be snow covered and slippery today. The snow will become heavier tonight and winds will be increasing with this. Will be result in dangerously low wind chills along the considerable blown and drifted snow tonight and Friday morning. Their blizzard conditions will be possible for a time tonight and early Friday morning. Winds north about 28 to 30 miles per hour. Gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Visibility 1/4 to 1/2 of the mile times. A winter storm warning is issued with an average of 6 or more inches of snow expected in a 12-hour period, or 8 or more inches in a 24-hour period. 12 will be soil at best on well-treated surfaces that are quite difficult at any unplowed or treated surfaces. Hazard weather outlook: day 1 today and tonight. Winter storm warning. Days 2 to 7. Winter storm warning. There will be potential for wind chills of 15 to 25 below late Friday night and early Saturday, which may result in a wind chill virus. So shovels ready, yeah? Friday day, snow high to 27 degrees. Light northeast wind increase of 9 to 14 miles per hour in the morning. Winds could gust as high as 29 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 9%. Today daytime snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches possible. Tonight, snow with areas of blown snow lower at 9 degrees. Wind chill values rise 6 below zero. North wind about 14 to 17 miles per hour. Gusts as high as 41 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 100%. New snow accumulation of 4 to 8 inches possible. Friday, snow with areas of blown snow before 11 a.m. Then a slight chance of snow between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. High near 13 degrees. Wind chill values as low as 10 below zero. North wind about 11 to 18 miles per hour. Gusts as high as 41 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 8%. New snow accumulation of 1 to 2 inches possible. Friday night, mostly clear sky, lower than 5 below zero. Wind chill values as low as 14 below zero. Northwest wind about 5 to 10 miles per hour coming night, west after midnight. Saturday, mostly sunny skies with a high near 28 degrees. Light west wind coming at south about 8 to 13 miles per hour in the morning. Saturday night, podcast sky, lower 22 degrees. Sunday, a chance of rain after 1 p.m. Mostly clear skies at high near 41 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 40%. Saturday night, rain likely, cloud west skies at a lower than 36 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 60%. Monday, rain likely, cloud skies with a high near 50 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 70%. Monday night, podcast skies lower than 18 degrees. Tuesday, sunny skies high near 24 degrees. Tuesday night, mostly clear skies with a lower at 6 degrees. And Wednesday, sunny with a high near 25 degrees. Peter's weather phrase of the day. First snow in 2014 is going to be a big one. This is PJ with some of you. Have a good day with a good positive attitude here, and stay safe on the roads.